Hello everyone. So in this video we are gonna see how you can add textures to your model. So firstly we will add some normal random textures, the material pane. So in the textures, then we will go to home and select wood. Now okay, using the paint bucket we will just apply this on here. Now I'll press Ctrl plus Z. Now we only want it on this face. So okay, here we go. So not this one. As you can see, I am trying some different textures, trying to find the best one that suits my model. Now like I want a plank kind of look, so we'll go to Vray assets. Here it's opening. Okay, here we go. So here in this box we'll click on material and then go on wood. I mean try to find wood. Okay, I'm just scrolling right now, trying to find the wood section. Now we want a plank kind of look, so we are gonna use not this. Okay, we will use this one. So here's a quick tip. Whichever material you want to use, you can either right click on it and click on add to scene, or you can just keep holding it using the left mouse button and drag it and drop it to the material list in the right. Now I will apply this on this area, and as you can see its structure is not looking that good, so we'll edit it. So 120 centimeter, which is not normal texture of the material. So now you can see there is a still picture. From here you can find from where to find this 120 centimeter. So now as such this material is not that good as well, so I will go and find another one, the best one possible. I will try this one. Still I'm not getting the exact wooden plank look after I type 120 centimeter. So so let me find another one. There's still I'm missing the plank kind of look. So here we go, wood planks. So here as you can see here a variety of these are available. We'll right click and click on add to scene. Here we go. Here again add it in the edit box, type in 100 centimeter and press enter. Here we go. So yes, now this looks good. So I will apply it on the upper face. I have applied it on the upper face as well. Now we want to change the directional flow of the texture, so we'll right click and go to texture and select position in the sub menu that appears, and then according to what you need, place it in the best suited way. So I'm gonna do it like this. You can do how you like it. So we are done with this face, and click outside and go to the upper face texture and again redirection the flow. Again the same thing, right click, texture, position. Okay, now use the rotate command. Now remember to align it with the flow of the lower face like this. So I'm trying to get the best flow that matches. Okay. Not done yet. So it's looking pretty good. So I will just click outside anywhere. So like this you can apply textures to selections. So here you can see a full view of the model. This is how it looks. It's looking pretty good. I will zoom in and zoom out again. So now if you want to add a new texture to SketchUp without using Vray, of course, so in Vray you can create, of course, but without using that, so for that what you have to do is click here and a pop-up menu will appear named create material. Then in there on the browse materials option, a Windows Explorer will appear, and here the inbuilt materials are present. So we don't want that. So open the folder where you have saved or downloaded some textures or materials, and then open it in texture, open it in SketchUp, and edit it from this box. So I'll close this one. So now that the plant texture is aligned, so let's look at how you will set an angle or a view for your render. Like for example, I want my render to have this view of the model. So not this. Okay, I will use the palm tool first and some other tools to get it to where I want. Now now this is the front view that I want for my scene, for my render, and here I will go to camera menu and select 2-point perspective. So here, as you can see, the roof and the walls are aligned with both the axis as well as the main screen. So to save this scene, we will go to view menu and click on add scene. So this will add a new scene. Now as you can see, I have a scene called scene 1 already added here. So our new scene is named as scene 2. Now I will navigate around and go in any view, and now in this view I want a render of scene 2, so I will just click on scene 2 in the top left. SketchUp will navigate back to the view of the scene 2. So like this you can keep a view you like aside and navigate all you want without having the risk of losing that view, losing that angle. So I'm just gonna add another scene. I will just put it in a new view and add another scene. Animation, view, animation, add scene. So I'm doing this again and again so that if someone is working side by side while watching this video, which is recommended by the way, so they do it again and again as well and they practice it. Now if you want to edit a scene and change the angle of the camera, so what you will do is right click on the scene and you want to edit and click on update, and this scene will get updated. So now one thing to remember is that bring the model into the required view before pressing update. So I'll click here and show how it worked. Earlier it was in front view and now it has become a side view. So you can use add scenes like this. Now we will do some other changes, like for example some changes, little bit of changes, like I'll create a name panel which I want to give to my house, or rather my client's house, whichever. So here I will create some geometries to create a name panel. You can also use the rectangle tool straight away. I'm just going to use the pencil tool. So I want it to be precise, so I'm taking a little bit of time. I will close this geometry and erase this upper one. So now that the geometry is created, I will use push pull to highlight the panel. I have created a section. Now after that I will add the name of the client. So text, place 3D text. So I will type in I think I will type in SODI. So erase this and type SODHI. SODIs. Place. So here we go. Now I will place it in here and change its thickness and size according to the requirement using the scale tool. So just now I will click on the scale tool and use various corners and points to change the thickness and size. So I can also change the width. So what's left in this model is only paints and textures. So in the next video we will talk about adding textures. So keep watching and thank you.